Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam. This is where I talk about all things sewing. And today I've got another Sew Frugal 22 prize reveal. That's a challenge that myself and Rowan are doing over on Instagram to make yourself a garment using a free pattern and using fabric from your stash. Reveal date is on the 31st of March. We've got over 70 vloggers involved with the challenge, giving you their inspiration and ideas for the challenge and what they want to make. And today's vloggers are Kath from Made by Kath Craft and Sherry from Granny's Sewing Room. So I will leave a playlist down below and then you can just click onto their videos and see what they've come up with today. And I think Sherry might be doing a bit of a sew along for hers at some point as well. So Pattern Union are the sponsors for today, and they have very generously agreed to give you 50% off the Edith smock, and they have also put up a PDF pattern for one of the lucky winners. So that's an international prize with it being a PDF download, and they also have a free pattern on their website. So I've given Mandy a day off today because I haven't made this particular free pattern, and I will just concentrate on what they've got on their website. So Sarah from Pattern Union, she's created a range of clothing patterns that appreciates the fact that most people don't fit into standard sizes. Their manifesto is fit, form and function without compromising style. And there's over a dozen garment patterns on that website and a few accessories as well. So the Edith smock, which is offering 50% off over the month of March for us, normally retails at 18 Australian dollars, obviously 9 with the 50% off. That works out at around about £5, $6.50 US. And it's a zero waste pattern is this. So it's designed for woven fabrics such as a linen or a lightweight, maybe a viscose or something like that, maybe a gauze would look really nice in it. Tons of options for this one. You can make it as a dress or a top, and there's even a belt pattern and a slip to go with it as well. It's designed to have pockets, and the size range for this is 29 inch up to a 48.8 inch bust, maximum hip 48.8, and there is actually around 15 inches of ease at both the hips and the bust for this. The lovely loose fitting bohemian style pattern basically, and then there's even a free embroidery template for that. So that's the one with 50% off. The free pattern that they have on the website is the Phoebe jumpsuit, and there's so many variations on this one, it's unbelievable for a free pattern. So again, it's designed for woven fabrics such as a tencel or a rami, which is made from nettles, linen maybe, crepe or a cotton or a rayon, and elasticated waist. And as well as a jumpsuit, you can make it into a top or separate trousers, so you can get separate trousers, even a dress out of this. I can't believe how many variations there are on it for a free pattern. It's like a choose your own adventure all in one. There are actually some add-ons for this as well that you can buy for around about £4 Australian dollars. Although if you go onto the website it looks as if it's to be paid for, it does actually say right on the website there, just enter the code Phoebe freebie and you will get that for free. So yeah, it's been designed really to reflect your own style and choice. So the trousers come in various lengths. There's not actually a finished length on the legs for that one, so you can do it cropped. And I do particularly like the cut-off jumpsuit version that they've got with a deep back and the ties at the shoulder. I think this is a lovely pattern. It is one that I downloaded a long time ago, and I think I will be doing the cut-off jumpsuit version for my holidays actually. Not during the challenge, I think I've got enough on at the moment, but certainly before I go in June. So let me know below which variation you would make out of all the ones that I've shown you today. And that's it from me today. Thank you so much for watching. I shall speak to you later. Bye.